Okay, auto renaming images with Gemini AI. In this video, I will show you how to auto rename images with Gemini AI. This is a smart and fast method, so watch to the end to know everything. Now here, in order to do it, first paste this prompt like this. You can see the prompt on the screen. Now paste it like this, which I will leave in the description section. Now here, the second one is to set the Gemini AI to create the application like this by clicking this icon here and then click on canvas. Now here you see Pro. Now click on Pro. Make sure you select Pro. Now click on this Pro icon here or tap on it, anyone. Now here, what you do now here is to send it by tapping or clicking this icon here like this. You can try it on your smartphone or desktop. Now here, the benefit of using this prompt is to guide it in order to create the perfect application. Also know that it might add it new features based on the Gemini model which you are using. The benefit of this is to make your image to be found easily on the internet or in SEO. Now here, wait for which, as you can see, it is still creating it. Now here is the application the Gemini created in order to auto rename images. Now what you do now is to open it by clicking this icon. If you are using mobile device, you can find it anyhow, any device you are using. You can see this open, you can see this application section. Now what you do is just click on this open here. Now here, what you do now is to upload the image by clicking this upload icon here. After creating the application, as you can see here, now upload the image like this. Now click on it and then click on done. Wait for it. As you can see, it is renaming it. As you can see, it have renamed it. You see it here. Now here, what you do now, after it renaming it, you can upload as many as you want here by clicking this upload images. And then after you have uploaded it, after it have renamed it, what you do now is to click on this downloading icon here and download it into your device. As you can see here, it renamed it in order to make it easy to be found in SEO, to make it SEO friendly. You see here. Now one of the benefits is that it maintains the same quality as the original image. If you download the original image 10 MB, after renaming it, it will maintain it as 10 MB. And also you can share it by clicking this icon here in order to share it to your friends here for them to join and use the tool. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I'll do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Check out the playlist in order to know everything on Google AI tool. See you.